In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a business admin in Meta Business Manager. If you're managing a company's online presence, it's crucial to understand how Meta Business Manager works, as it allows you to manage your pages, ad accounts, and more, all in one place. So, let's get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and search for Meta for Business. This will direct you to the official Meta Business site where you can access all the necessary tools and resources. Once there, you'll need to log in using either your email, Facebook, or Instagram account. If you don't have an account already linked, you'll need to create one. It's best to ensure you're logging in with an account that's associated with your role or business to avoid issues later. After you've logged in, you'll need to access the Meta Business Suite. This is the hub where all the admin features are centralized. Look for the Settings option within the suite, as this is where you'll be making all the necessary adjustments and configurations. Once you are in the settings, direct your attention to the People option under the Users category. This section is crucial as it contains all the individuals who have access to your Meta Business Manager. From here, you can invite others or manage existing users easily. To invite new people, click on the Invite People button. A prompt will appear, allowing you to add their email addresses. Be careful to enter the correct email, as any mistakes might prevent your invitee from receiving the invitation. Once you've added their email, click on Next. Now, you need to assign their access level. Decide if you want to give them basic or full access. This is an important decision because it determines what they can do within your Meta Business Manager. Basic access is more limited, while full access allows users to perform all available actions. Choose the appropriate level for your needs and then go ahead and click Next. If your new user needs to work with specific business assets like ad accounts, pages, or catalogs, you'll need to assign those as well. If it's necessary, take your time to consider which assets they will need access to, and then click Next again once you've made your selections. Finally, you'll have a chance to review the invitation before sending it. Double-check everything, the email, access level, and assigned assets, to ensure all the details are correct. Once you're satisfied, click Send Invitation to finalize the process. Your invitee will then receive an email with instructions on how to accept the invitation and start using Meta Business Manager. And there you go. You've successfully learned how to become a business admin in Meta Business Manager. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.